Today I'm going to teach you how to use American Airlines miles. Whether you're looking to book your next vacation or upgrade your flight experience, understanding how to maximize your miles can save you money and open up exciting travel opportunities. Let's explore all the different ways you can put those hard-earned miles to work. First up, let's talk about booking award travel. This is one of the most popular ways to redeem your miles, and American Airlines gives you several convenient options to do this. You can book directly on AAdvantage by visiting their website and searching for award flights using your miles. The same functionality is available in the American Airlines mobile app, which makes it incredibly easy to book on the go. What's particularly useful is that you're not limited to just American Airlines flights. You can also book award travel on other partner airlines using your miles, which significantly expands your options. And if you're someone who likes to explore different destinations, the award map feature lets you visually browse where you can fly based on your available miles. Next, we have the option to manage award travel. Life happens, and sometimes plans change. That's where this feature comes in handy. If you need to adjust your itinerary, you can change flight awards that you've already booked. Simply access your reservation and modify the dates or destinations as needed. If your plans fall through completely, you also have the option of canceling flight awards and reinstating miles back into your account. This flexibility ensures that your miles don't go to waste even when circumstances change. The third way to use your miles is through instant upgrades. This is perfect when you want a more comfortable flying experience without paying the full premium fare. You can request an instant upgrade using your miles, which can elevate you to a higher cabin class. Keep in mind that instant upgrades have specific availability, windows, and route restrictions, so it's worth checking when and where these upgrades are available before you plan to use this option. Fourth, there are mileage upgrade awards. This works slightly differently from instant upgrades and gives you additional control over your travel experience. Similar to award travel, you can change mileage upgrade awards if your plans shift. You also have the flexibility of canceling upgrade awards and reinstating miles if you decide the upgrade isn't necessary. One particularly nice feature is that you can upgrade with a companion, allowing you to share the enhanced travel experience with someone traveling alongside you. And finally, you can reserve seats with miles. This option allows you to secure preferred seating using your accumulated miles, ensuring you get the seat location you want without paying extra cash. With all these options at your disposal, you can strategically use your American Airlines miles to enhance every aspect of your travel experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.